Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious satay chicken, a beloved Southeast Asian dish. First, gather your ingredients. 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into 1-inch pieces. For the marinade, you will need 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and a pinch of white pepper. This combination creates a perfect balance of savory and aromatic flavors. To prepare the marinade, combine all the dry and wet ingredients in a large bowl. Whisk everything together until it forms a smooth paste. Add the cut chicken pieces to the bowl, ensuring each piece is fully coated with the aromatic marinade. Cover the bowl tightly and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, or for best results, let it marinate for up to 4 hours. Proper marination infuses the chicken with deep flavor and ensures tenderness. Before you start grilling, soak 20 wooden skewers in water for at least 30 minutes to prevent them from burning. Thread about 4 to 5 pieces of marinated chicken onto each skewer, leaving a small space between pieces for even cooking. Preheat your grill to a medium-high heat, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Grill the skewers for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, turning occasionally, until the chicken is thoroughly cooked and lightly charred. While the chicken grills, let's prepare the luscious peanut sauce. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, 1/4 cup of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, and 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes. Simmer this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency. This rich, savory sauce perfectly complements the grilled chicken.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.